What is going on, you guys? Noel Arevalo here. Welcome to this beautiful day. It's actually a beautiful day in LA today, which thank you, Jesus, because June gloom was real. July 1st came, it was like the birds were out, the sun was out, the birds were chirping. It was crazy. Welcome to this video of a full day of eating, of how I stay lean, how I stay sexy. I'm going to be going through a full day of eating with you, just showing you how I eat healthy on a daily basis. This, I just want you to know that this is me like 20% of the time. I did not look like this an hour and a half ago. So your girl put on a face today, and if you guys saw my last video, I kind of opened up about just kind of what I've been personally going through. I will say today is the first day that I have felt less anxious. I talked about anxiety and just kind of how I've been feeling. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm gonna show you guys what I eat throughout the day. I am somewhat on the go, but we're gonna be doing some meal prepping. I'm gonna throw some wine in there. Yes, you can have your wine. Ain't nobody got time to cut out their wine, okay? Because why? Wine is love. Go get my eyebrows waxed. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they are looking hurt. First, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I had for breakfast this morning, and then we are going to get this party started. About 4 servings egg whites. As you guys seen, I threw in some greens and then made myself some avocado toast. That's what I'm having. And then I'm gonna top my egg whites with this restaurant style salsa, organic. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you can find this, pick it up. I got it at Costco. That is what our breakfast is looking like, mates. There we have it. Use that magic bullet to make myself this smoothie. So I actually added in a stevia. This is a great pre-workout little smoothie, or even post-workout. It has collagen peptides. I put in almond milk. I put blueberries. I put half of a banana, and then some ice, and then the stevia, and the greens, a little bit of greens. Full packed with micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. And so, yes, and it's pretty good macro-wise, how I made it, but again, you can always substitute certain things. Cheers. So that has very much been my go-to breakfast lately. I am, naturally, you guys, I wanna stuff my face with like bad food. Naturally, I just want to stuff my face with really bad food for you. That drink is life. Collagen, everything that I showed you in it. Put that in your daily regimen and watch your skin glow. Movement, I'm so grateful. They sent me actually some watches. They sent me a few sunnies, which I will have been rocking one pair of them. I'm in love. So the first one, we'll just jump right in, is this little guy. It's like rose gold, and then the band is super simple black, as you see, like what I'm wearing it with today. You could dress it up, you could go casual with it, and it's just a clutch watch. I love it. All the quality of everything is like really, really good. I have been rocking the schmuckeries out of these guys. I'm obsessed. I love the aviator look, and if you feel it, like this part and whatever you call these little guys, it's like a matte black, but I freaking love them. These bad boys just like speak for themselves. Can we please? I love these for when I'm trying to spice up my fit. 3 dotted detail kind of reminds me of Celine's a little bit, but I mean the quality is just unmatchable, which I love. Gold little dainty bracelets like this. I love simplicity, but then the little knot just adds a extra touch that spasses it up. Our most popular ones for good reason. Look at this band. It's like no other that I've ever seen before. I love it. I'm such a gold person. I'm so sorry about the focusing this camera. I'm still trying to figure it out. But I love it because it's very delicate and like feminine. Like I told you guys, I'm so bad with describing stuff, but I just love it. I really, really do. And I like how it's different than most watches. So for example, compared to this one, I've always really liked, like I said, I'm a tomboy. I've always really liked the masculine look, if that makes sense, for a female, but I absolutely love it. And as you see, like they're completely different. This one's way more masculine looking, even though it is a female watch. But I like to have both to be able to switch it up. Movement, you guys, was actually kind enough to give me a discount code for you. So the direct link for Movement products and also the code, it's going to be Noel Arevalo, and then everything will be in the description box as well. If you guys want to check them out, they will be in there. That gives you a 15% off, 15% off in case you didn't hear it. Okay, let's go eat. I'm starving. All right, so when we are out and about, we always take with us protein bars. This is just stuff that I pick up that I either like or it'll be like discounted. I really like the Think. Why can't I think right now? Why can't I think right now? The Think bars, they used to be Think It Thin. I think they changed it. They definitely changed their labeling. Or you guys, the Crunch Power Bars are bomb. They're literally like wafers. These bars, the Power Crunch, is really high fat. So for example, everything else is low, like it's 10 carb, crazy, 13 protein, which is a good amount of protein, and then 13 fat. That's really, really high. Protein bars will be around like 5 to 8 grams of fat. Okay, so it's almost double the amount. I'm gonna take the peanut butter one. Make sure that we take water with us. And nectar. I'm gonna go ahead and take this, whoa, my hair not look crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little guy. It's an ice peach nectar, sparkling flavored water. They're pretty tasty. It's always good to bring something with you that has protein in it because protein is very, very important. If you want the gains, protein. Make sure you have protein when you're on the go. The only thing I will say is annoying about eating Power Crunch, first world problems, is the crumbs like get everywhere. Everywhere! We're about to actually make a quick snack. I think I'm about to go for a run right now before the sun goes down. I do like rice cakes with some peanut butter, and then I'm going to do, I think, protein shake. Then when I come back, I'll probably do some kind of like lean meat with vegetables, maybe some rice. And then I'm also going to meal prep. So I'm gonna meal prep to have some meals tomorrow. I have salmon, sweet potatoes, and also broccoli. I'm going to have a glass of wine. What we're gonna make post-run, I'm gonna do a little bit of this really lean ground turkey breast. You know it, so I'm doing some Uncle Ben's ready rice, long grain wild. So you literally just rip it for like legit 90 seconds and then it's ready to go. Cauliflower mix. You guys know that I love this. I love mixing it in with my meat because it's almost like a stir fry. I'm gonna do these mushrooms because mushrooms have like a lot of micronutrients as well. there you have it. I did literally a half serving of rice. Rice tends to be a little higher in carb. So I did half a serving, which is like, I don't know, 22 carb. And then look how much volume you have when you add vegetables. Like it makes it so much more, leaves you so much more full, and you meet your micronutrient needs. Like that's like a lot. I'm about to top this bad boy with some sriracha. Get on in here. This, how I meal prep thing, is avocado oil spray. Sprays like this are gonna save you so much calories. Bag of 3 sweet potatoes, like perfect. Some broccoli, obviously for my veggies. Fresh wild sockeye salmon. And this is what it looks like coming out. So got a good amount of broccoli, sweet potato, and this is how it comes out. It was absolutely delicious. I cooked it for around, I want to say 45 minutes. This is about, I would say, like 3 or 4 meals easy. So essentially alcohol is pretty much its own macronutrient. It's best to, especially if you're trying to focus on like losing fat, whatever your goals are, to have your alcohol at the end of the night after you are done eating all your food, because it shuts down certain systems in your body that pretty much stop breaking down like calories or fat. But it's usually 125 to 130 grams. And I usually count it either as 12 fat or 22 carb, depending on what I want to take it out of. It has been a long, amazing day. To be honest, I usually get in like 1 to 2 more meals. I didn't have any meals prepped, right? So whenever I have meals prep, I usually get in all my food. That's why it is so important, because if you don't have your meals prepped, you're not setting yourself up for success, whether that's like you meeting your needs or if you're out on the go. I have a lot of discipline. I've been doing this for obviously 8.5 years. Sometimes I fall short to it if I don't prep my food. Like, I'm not perfect, but that is why I always make sure to prep food. That's why I just prepped food, is to set yourself up for success with whatever your goals are. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to see me in the next one, and hit the thumbs up. Give that a thumbs up, helps me out a lot. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.